Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Cancer. So this is your mid-month love reading. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, yes. Oo. Syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Ito po yung kanyang FB page. So, ito po yung spelling. Okay, so parang hindi kayo maligaw. O, di ba? And yes, don't forget to follow na rin. Okay, and yeah, if you're interested naman po sa ating all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, sa ating Evil Eye ring, okay, and sa ating Evil Eye necklace. So, ito siya. Okay, so yan siya, 'di ba? Nice. Okay. So, yeah, just message lang po, no, sa akin pong FB page for more information. Okay. So, yeah, let's start with your reading. Okay, Cancerians. Ano bang meron? So, titingnan natin yung magiging takbuhan, no? Oo, takbuhan talaga ng magiging, or sabihin natin, ng inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon, okay? Mid. Tingnan natin. Ano bang current na situation ninyo, mga Cancerians? Pagdating sa love. The Nine of Wands in reversed. The Queen of Pentacles. Someone is open. Open. Andyan yung pag-nurture, pagtanggap. Oh, is this, new or another chance? Some of you, you're focusing pagdating sa self mo. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, meron ditong napagod. May napagod dito na maging nurturer or nurturer. Yeah. Mag-provide na mag-provide. Merong napagod dito. And may chance na parang nag-start ng mag-heal or mag-focus na sa sarili. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Sino ba ito? Cancer. Sino itong person mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Okay. Anong meron sa person mo? Cancerians. The Eight of Wands in reversed. Yeah, the King of Cups. You love this person. Yeah. Some of you may block messages dito or hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon. Or pwedeng nilagyan ng taong ito, no, ng limit. Okay? Or maybe vice versa. Nilagyan ng limit pagdating sa love. Okay? Someone is not available, like openly available or available, parang ganyan. Oo, kasi maybe to avoid drama. Yeah, to avoid drama. Yeah. The devil. Some of you, pwedeng nagpapakita ka ng emosyon dito sa taong to, pero hindi through words. Okay, hindi through words. Pero yes, mararamdaman mo pa rin yung love, vice versa. Okay? Nagkaroon ng disconnection. Pero nandyan yung totoong minahal yung isa't isa. Okay. So ano ba? Yung ngayon na emosyon nila pagdating sa'yo. Tingnan natin, check natin. Okay. Anong totoo? Sabihin natin parang current emotion nila sa'yo ngayon. The Justice in reversed. Pwedeng Libra. And the Nine of Swords. May takot. Okay? Some of you, oh, meron pang isang person dito na involve. Ating paliwanagin itong ating camera. Okay. Some of you, pagdating sa situation, emosyon nito or intention nito is, nandyan yung I think, hindi niya kaya maging open sa'yo, really. Dahil alam niya na may something like, pwedeng mag-cause ng hindi maganda in the end. The justice is in the reverse. So, I think may energy rito ng infidelity for some of you. Okay? And yeah, kung wala man, someone is like just too afraid na maging open. Dahil may takot na. I don't know why. So, umpisa pa lang, napagod itong taong ito. No? Sa pagiging open, napagod sa pagiging nandyan palagi, present. Okay, sana walang third party involved here. Yeah, the King of Wands is here. Kung may third party, takot itong taong to na totally mag-give in sa situation. Pero yes, nandyan yung love niya for you. Kung may third party dito, ha? Okay? So, what's their next action? Ano bang magiging takbuhan? Oo. Some of you, ang magiging takbuhan nito is hindi magiging komportable, no? Oo, hindi ko nakikitaan na may peace of mind kayong dalawa dito because of the 9 of Swords. Okay? Kasi someone is committing what? Infidelity for some of you. Okay? Some of you, yung magiging communication is hindi ganoon ka-stable. But yeah, nandyan lang, open. Parang ganyan. What's their next action? Yeah, the Hierophant in reverse. So, nandyan yung takot sa commitments or takot pa rin, like, hindi pa rin niya kayang mag-commit sa'yo. Hang on. O, diba? Ang linaw. I'm sorry. Okay. So, the Hierophant in reversed. Hindi pa rin mabibigyan ng commitments if ever. Why? The Eight of Cups. Pero nandyan nga, sabi ko sa'yo. Babalik. Pero, hindi siya like tatalon, no? Para makipagrelasyon uli. Nandyan lang siya for you. The Ace of Wands is in the reverse. Some of you, this is like just sex. This is on and off. May nangyaring on and off dito. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. So, may energy ng sabihin nga nating hindi pwede yung situation sa ngayon. Or sabihin nating walang magandang kooperasyon or hindi lang talaga pwede. Yeah, some of you may third party involved. Anong magiging outcome? Okay. Shuffle ko lang. This person loves you though. Okay? Wala, magagawa natin. Kahit mahal ka nito. Kung mali lang naman din naman. Kung mali lang din naman, no? Kung mali lang din. Ano daw? Kung mali din naman itong inyo. So, bakit pa? So, tingnan natin. Outcome. The Page of Swords in reverse. Yeah, see the Ace of Wands. Wanting a second chance. Wanting another chance. No? Pagdating dito sa situation, someone is hoping. Yes. Meron ditong naghahanap din ng label. May paghahanap ng label, may paghahanap ng, or may pagtatanong ng, ano na ba ang lagay natin? Parang ganun. Mali yung sitwasyon eh. Mali yung oras, mali yung timing. Okay, this is not the right timing para sa inyong dalawa. Ginawa na lahat ng pwedeng gawin. Kasi andyan yung love. Meron ditong mag-e-end, I guess. If there's someone, kung itong taong to is in a relationship sa ngayon, may mag-e-end dito. Okay? Para mabigyan ng pagkakataon to. Oh my God. Kung ano man yung mag-e-end na yun, ayun talaga yung I mean, kung ano yung babalikan, yun talaga yung hindi maalisan eh. Okay? Kung sino man yung babalikan, kung sino man yung pag-i-stayan, yun talaga yung hindi maalisan. So, depende sa inyo kung sino sa inyo yun. Kung third party ba, or ikaw. Okay? I-fit ninyo yung sarili nyo sa ano ha, sa kung ano man ng role nyo. O, di ba role? Okay. So, ang hirap, no? Ang hirap ipaliwanag ng inyong reading. Ay, okay. So, tayo tumungo na. Okay. Sa inyong all signs are through Pisces. So, it's like, itong ating all signs, parang silip, no? Oo. Sa kada zodiac. Okay. Kung ano bang meron. Okay. Aries. So, may unfinished business with this Aries. Taurus. Okay. So, they're not ready to settle down. Commitment phobe. Yan. Gemini. May black messages dito. Pwedeng merong delay. Okay. Cancer. So, nandito yung ending. Okay. Leo. So, they're focusing on themselves sa ngayon. Self-love, ganyan. Okay? Virgo, they love you. They want you. Yeah. Libra, they're sad. Scorpio. So, nandyan yung ego ni Scorpio. Okay? Pwedeng gagawin ko kung anong dapat kong gawin, like that. Sagittarius, pwedeng nagiging mababa na or low na yung connection or nagiging weak na yung connection. Capricorn, so may pagdedesisyon si Capricorn na gagawin. Okay? Aquarius, so si Aqua, pwedeng may third party involved. Okay? Pisces, so they want to commit. Yeah. So there, yun ang ating reading for you. Cancer placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.